How to fix invalid command line error on Windows 10. To fix invalid command line error on Windows 10, try 1. Check startup items in Task Manager, disable active items one by one. 2. Check scheduled tasks. In Task Scheduler, disable active items one by one, as well. 3. Back up your data, then perform system restore.